Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your saves and establishing a clean launch environment. Back up the entire GTA Vice City save and settings folder now. Once done, run the game as administrator to avoid permission errors and disable overlays from Steam, Discord, and recording apps because they inject DLLs that trigger unhandled exceptions. Make sure compatibility mode is set to Windows 7 or XBSB3 when using older builds. This often stabilizes legacy system calls. Now proceed to deeper diagnostic steps. You now focus on corrupted binaries and missing libraries. Verify game files via your launcher or reinstall core files to replace damaged executables. This fixes runtime mismatches that throw exceptions. Next, install or repair Visual C++ 2005 through 2013 redistributables and DirectX 9 because Vice City relies on older runtimes. After that, remove all mods, Clio scripts, or trainers. Mod conflicts are the most common cause. Then launch the vanilla game to confirm whether the error persists. If it does, capture the error. You finish by gathering diagnostic evidence and applying final remedies. If the crash continues, note the exact unhandled exception message, faulting module, and offset. This points to the culprit. Try running the game in windowed mode and add command line flags like restrictions to bypass problematic initializations. If that fails, restore your backup and perform a clean reinstall, then apply a trusted community patch or compatibility fix. These target known engine bugs. One troubleshooting tip: test on another PC to isolate system versus game issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.